Hi friends, my name is Usman, and in this video we are going to practically examine some of the browser object model objects. So let's get started. Let's go to any website. Let's go to Yahoo. Okay, now open the console. You can go to here for more tools and developer tools. Okay, go to console, clear console. Okay, first of all, the top most important parent object in browser object model is window. So let's type in window and press enter. You can see we have got all the child objects within the window object, including DOM, custom elements, history, location bar, screen object, style, media, navigator, everything that is in the hierarchy of parent window object. Okay, clear the console and let's start with window dot screen object. Press enter. You can see that it has returned us the available width, available height, total width and total height, the screen size, color depth, pixel depth, available left, orientation. Screen is landscape, primary. So this is quite handy if you're working with smart UIs or developing a good user experience for your website. Okay, clear the console, and the next important object is window.navigator. This object returns information about the browser itself. So you can see here that the browser we are using is Google Chrome, so we get Google incorporated. There's the product string number, app code name Mozilla, app name Netscape, app version it's for Linux as I'm using Ubuntu, and you can see here's the user agent, languages, geolocation information, user activation, presentation, media devices, keyboard, lock manager, credentials. So there's pretty much information about the browser itself. Clear the console. Okay. One of the object is window.location. So it returns information about the current web page or current URL. So you can see we have got yahoo.com, and you can see the protocol is HTTPS, host name is yahoo.com, fragment directive is there. So this is about the current URL that is being visited. Okay, the last but not least is the most important object, and that is document object model. It's also a child of window object. So let's just hit enter. You see we have been returned with the whole document object model that have constructed this whole web page. You can see we have got everything we have it here. So let's say if you just want to fetch the body HTML of this document, just type in window.document.body, enter. You see we have been returned only the body object. So this is quite handy in auditing and exploring the structure of any website or web page. So we have covered all the objects and sub-objects of browser object model. So that's it for this video. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.